In a world that constantly evolves, businesses are often thrown punches they never saw coming. But what happens when they punch back? Welcome to a journey through the maze of resilience and adaptability, a journey that takes us across 5 different industries, each grappling with its unique set of challenges. From the bustling tech industry, where innovation is the name of the game, to the ever-evolving world of retail, we'll dive into compelling stories of businesses that faced adversity head-on. We'll explore the fascinating food industry and the relentless automobile sector, each with its own tale of transformation. Lastly, we'll step into the world of entertainment, where the show must always go on, no matter what. These are the stories of how businesses didn't just survive but thrived, reshaping industries and challenging the status quo. These are tales of tenacity, of the power of resilience. So, are you ready to uncover these captivating tales of business tenacity and transformation? Picture this, a tech giant on the brink of bankruptcy, then something unexpected happens. It's the late 90s, and this behemoth of innovation is teetering towards oblivion. The competition is fierce and their offerings seem to fall flat. The problem is clear, they need to reinvent themselves to ignite a spark that would set them apart in the tech world. Their strategy? They decide to gamble on a new product line, something that has the potential to revolutionize personal computing. The pivotal moment comes when they unveil a sleek, all-in-one desktop computer. The design is striking, the interface intuitive, and the public response? Overwhelmingly positive. It's a bold move that pays off, breathing new life into the company. They've managed to pivot at the edge of the precipice to turn certain defeat into a triumphant comeback. In what seemed like the end, they found a new beginning. The tech titan? None other than Apple Inc. Next, we delve into the world of retail. A failing bookstore turns the tables. Imagine this. It's the mid-90s, and a small bookstore is struggling to keep pace with the giants of the industry. The owner, a computer scientist and Wall Street whiz, decides to take a risk. He chooses to eschew the traditional brick-and-mortar setup in favor of an online platform. He faces ridicule, disbelief, and significant financial risk. But he presses on. This bookstore became one of the first to embrace the digital age, creating a user-friendly platform that offers a wider selection of books than any physical store. It's a game changer. The giants scramble to catch up, but our bookstore is always one step ahead. They expand, first into music and DVDs, then into electronics, clothing, and beyond. Their daring move revolutionizes retail and sets a new standard for e-commerce. And the bookstore that dared to challenge the status quo? Amazon. Now, let's explore how the food and auto industries punch back when the odds were stacked against them. Our third story takes us to the realm of fast food, where McDonald's, a titan of the industry, faced a steep downhill climb. With the rise of health-conscious consumers and fierce competition, their golden arches seemed to lose their shine. But McDonald's wasn't about to let their empire crumble. They adapted. They revamped their menu, introducing healthier options and gourmet selections. They also embraced technology, launching mobile ordering and digital kiosks. And just when everyone thought they were down, McDonald's bounced back, proving once again why they're a fast food powerhouse. Our fourth tale of resilience takes us to the auto industry, where Tesla, the brainchild of Elon Musk, was accelerating at breakneck speed. The electric vehicle market was still a new frontier, fraught with challenges. Battery life, charging infrastructure, price points, all these factors threatened to stall Tesla's journey. But Tesla was not to be deterred. They innovated. They pushed the boundaries of what an electric car could do, introducing long-range batteries and autopilot features. They also championed a direct-to-consumer sales model, disrupting traditional dealership networks. And just like that, Tesla shifted gears, charging ahead and setting a new standard for the auto industry. What these stories tell us is this: when faced with adversity, businesses have two choices: to crumble under the pressure or to rise to the challenge. And as we've seen with McDonald's and Tesla, the path to success often involves a hefty dose of innovation, adaptation, and sheer determination. In the face of changing consumer habits and industry dynamics, these businesses didn't just survive, they thrived. The resilient players? McDonald's and Tesla. Lastly, we venture into the realm of entertainment, a company that went from renting DVDs to ruling the streaming world. An industry that seemed impervious to change was about to be turned on its head by a little company called Netflix. In the early 2000s, Netflix was a DVD rental service, battling it out with giants like Blockbuster. But as technology advanced, they saw an opportunity to pivot and adapt. Their strategy? A shift from physical rentals to streaming content online? This was a bold move, a gamble that raised many eyebrows. But it was this audacious step that marked the pivotal moment of transformation. Netflix not only survived, but it thrived, becoming a titan of the entertainment world. With their innovative approach, they reshaped an entire industry, setting a new standard for how we consume entertainment. They proved that even in the face of adversity, businesses can reinvent themselves and come out on top. The entertainment evolutionist, Netflix. These stories are not just about businesses. They're about resilience, adaptability, and the audacity to challenge the status quo. You see, each tale we've shared today is a testament to the indomitable spirit of business. The Tech Titans Turnaround, a story of technological innovation turning the tide in the face of adversity. The Retail Rebel, an illustration of how a single spark of defiance can ignite a retail revolution. Our tales from the food and auto industries, demonstrating that even in the most challenging times, there are opportunities to accelerate and fight back. And finally, the Entertainment Evolution, a story of adaptability, showing how an industry can reinvent itself to thrive in a changing landscape. Each story is a punchline in its own right, a powerful reminder that businesses, like people, have the ability to adapt, to fight, and to grow stronger when faced with challenges. So, next time the world throws you a punch, remember these stories. Because sometimes the best move is to punch back. Share your thoughts on these stories and stay tuned for more tales of business resilience.